Hey everyone, welcome back to RoboRequest. You ask, we build. Each time we bring your creative ideas to life with an exciting robotics project. And this time we have built something that combines display detection, motion and sound. It's a sonar-based alert system. This project is inspired by an awesome request from Roboarmy, who requested making a complete tutorial for this project. Keep your requests coming and who knows, your idea might be our next build. Let's dive into it. Here's what we'll need for this project. One Arduino Uno, one 16x2 LCD display, one I2C module for easy LCD wearing, one ultrasonic sensor HC-SR04 that will act as our sonar scanner, one servo motor to rotate our ultrasonic sensor, one green LED to show safe zone, one red LED to indicate object detected, two 220 ohm resistor, one buzzer for alert beeping, one breadboard, one USB cable, some jumper wires. Let's start by setting up the connection. Take the Arduino and breadboard. First connect the 5V pin of Arduino to the positive rail on the breadboard and the GND pin to the negative rail. Now take the ultrasonic sensor. Connect as VCC to the 5V rail, GND to GND rail, trig pin to pin 9 of Arduino and echo pin to pin 10. Next let's connect the LCD display with the I2C module. Connect VCC of I2C module to 5V GND to GND, SDA to A4 and SCL to A5 of Arduino. Take the servo motor, insert male-to-male jumper wires in it. Connect the brown wire to GND rail, red wire to 5V rail and orange signal wire to pin 6. Now place the green LED and red LED on the breadboard. Connect the short leg cathode to GND through 220 ohm resistors. Connect green LED anode to pin 2 and red LED anode to pin 3. Now connect the buzzer. Its negative pin goes to GND rail and positive pin to pin 4. Double check everything with your circuit diagram to avoid errors. Now download the code and library files given in the description below. Open the code file in the Arduino IDE. We will include necessary libraries first. Where.h enables I2C communication. Liquid crystal underscore I2C.h allows us to control a 16x2 LCD display via I2C. Servo.h helps us to control the servo motor. Define pins and components. Pins for ultrasonic sensor, LED buzzer and servo motor are defined for clarity and easy reference. Creates instances for the LCD and servo motor. You can change 0x27 if your LCD has a different I2C address. Initialize variables. First, holds the angle of the servo motor. Direction determines the servo's sweep direction. In the setup function, configure the pin modes. Initialize and sets up the LCD with a welcome message. Set the initial position of the servo to 0 degree. Next function is to measure distance. Sends an ultrasonic pulse and listens for its echo. Return the distance in centimeters. The main loop continuously checks the distance. If the area is clear, means distance is more than 20 cm or 0, turn on the green LED to show that area is clear. Moves the servo left to right sweeping and displays area is empty on LCD. If object is detected, means distance less than or equal to 20 cm, turn on the red LED and buzzer. Display a warning message on LCD. Freezes the servo at its current position and that's it. Now upload the code to the Arduino. Connect the Arduino Uno to your computer using the USB cable for uploading the code. Select port and board in the same menu and select Arduino Uno. Now click on the upload button. Now mount the ultrasonic sensor over the servo motor like this and paste the servo motor over something like a cardboard or breadboard like this. Power the Arduino using a USB cable or a battery pack. Watch how the servo scans the area like a sonar. When it detects a nearby object, the system visually and audibly alerts using LEDs, LCD and the buzzer. This project is a fantastic example of real-world robotics, combining motion detection, display and automated alerts. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching our tutorial.